Oh, that's you.
What are you gonna tell us?
I'm not nervous. I'm excited.
Oh.
I just don't want to read this off, so my voice will be gone by the time it's over. Oh. The Packers trading for Aaron, or the Raiders trading for Aaron Rodgers, Jack?
Yeah, you don't have to respond, bro.
What pick are the Raiders?
I don't know. Go look.
I'm 17.
Oh, it's 16.
The Patriots are 15. I knew that. The Broncos are they're up right now.
He said, hope not. What?
Broncos
He's
are gonna
joking.
Oh, you Raiders fan?
Yeah.
Derek Carr is better.
I have a Broncos fan sitting with me watching this. Oh, he's a car junkie.
I was like, what is that supposed to be?
Like he likes their car.
Yeah, I know. I got it. I was like, what does that have to do with Aaron Rodgers? But Carr.
Derek Carr.
Yeah, not like
The
Carr.
quarterback.
Yeah.
Derek Carr.
Draft Certain or Certain, whatever that corner's name is.
I thought he was gonna go to the Cowboys.
He'll probably go to the Cowboys.
Yeah, probably. What pick are the Raiders?
17. They're kind of
They're not terrible. They're going to probably draft a receiver because they like receivers.
some fast guy. Who is it?
Back up.
I have 6 points.
I'm just saying. I was at 37.
There's 3 people watching now. And it's 8 right now.
I'll read off these teams now. Everyone has. Jack has Dolphins, Browns, Raiders, Texans, Titans, Falcons, Panthers, Cardinals, Bears. Jeremiah has the Packers. Novus has the Broncos. Kirk has the Chiefs. Brandon has the Seahawks, Cowboys, Vikings. Travis has the Giants, Eagles, Rams. Michael has the Ravens, Jags, Bills. Marine, 49ers, Patriots. Jacob, Jets, Chargers. Nicholas, Colts. And then this guy had Ship My Cards as his name. Bengals. Pete, Steelers. John, Bucks. Cynthia, Saints. Phil, Redskins. And Nathan, Lions. All right, I'll get right into it. Yeah, you have quite a bit of teams. Quite a bit didn't sell on eBay. And there's people that didn't pay for it. I don't get why I bid on something and not pay for it. Set this over. I'll start off with 2 packs. Ezekiel Elliott, Greedy Williams, Juan Thornhill, Travin Williams, DeMarcus Lawrence, Von Miller, Alshon Jeffrey, Patrick Peterson, Deebo Samuel, Patrick Mahomes, Jamal Adams, Alvin Kamara, Aaron Jones, Lamar Miller, Darren Waller, Kyle Rudolph, Marquise Brown, Jamison Crowder, Chris Carson, Will Greer, and Jordan Brooks Green, Antonio Gandy Golden Green, Patrick Mahomes highlight reel, Powerhouse Ezekiel Elliott, Impressions Bo Scarborough, Heroes Drew Brees, Chase Young rookie, Ben DiNucci rookie, Gabriel Davis, and Derek Brown. All the rookies will be put in penny sleeves after the break. I'll case Herberts and Burrows and Tuas and Jordan. Now Jordan Love's out because my brother bought him. Mike Evans, Matt Breida, Roquan Smith, T.Y. Hilton, Josh Allen, Albert Wilson, Tom Brady, Nate Solder, Hunter Henry, Akeem Hicks, Alejandro Villanueva, James Delvin, A.J. Brown, Cooper Kupp, DJ Chark, Taysom Hill, Zadarius Smith, Juju, Julian Edelman, Derrick Henry, Jedrick Wilson Green, AJ Espinosa Green, Inside the Numbers, Patrick Mahomes, Matt Ryan highlight reel, Heroes, Russell Wilson, Jeff Saturday, old school, Nate Stanley, Mike Becton, Adam Trotman, and Kenneth Murray. I'll do 2 more packs. Tremaine Pratt, Leighton Vander Esch, Golden Tate, Dwarren Thompson, Ryan Finley, Jalen Smith, Drew Lock, Deshaun Jackson, Kenyon Drake, Nick Mullins, Seth Roberts, Avery Williamson, Drew Brees, Devontae Adams, Mika Fitzpatrick, Keelan Doss, Daniil Hunter, Lamar Jackson, Sam Darnold, John Brown, Green, Isaiah Simmons, that's not bad, and Green Tua. There you go, Jack. I'll sleeve that up. We finally got you something, Jack. Chris Godwin, Austin Eckler, Youth Movement, Debu Samuel, Charles Tillman, Patrick Queen, Jeff Gladney, Albert ABCDEFG, Cole McDonald. You want to go put these cards over there? Actually, wait till I do this fourth pack and then you put them there. I will sleeve the Heroes Rust, don't worry. In fact, I can do that right now for you. What was it, the other stack? I didn't even notice I got that. Just toss it. I'm a 49ers fan, so not a huge Russell Wilson fan. But I'll put him right there for you. Quentin Nelson, Cortland Sutton. I'm just going to kind of go right through these base cards. You a Russell Wilson fan? Derek Carr. And Brian Edwards green. Chase Claypool green. That's not bad. Let's leave that up. Kyler Murray highlight reel. Joey Bosa powerhouse. Impressions. Dante Johnson. Heroes. Alejandro Villanueva. CJ Henderson. Justin Herbert. There we go. Cam Akers and Devin Asiasi. You want to put those back? I'll sleeve these 2 cards up quick. Don't bump the table, almost knock the thing down. Alright. Justin Herbert and Chase Claypool. I'll set off to the side. Alright, packs 5 and 6. I'm pretty sure you can possibly get autos out of these, but I'm not sure. So far, there's been heroes every pack. I've opened lots of Prestige blasters, but I've never opened one of these cases before. Tyreek Hill, Joe Mixon. Noah Fant, Lane Johnson, Devin White. Aaron Rodgers, is he going to get traded tonight? Are the Packers going to somehow keep him? Joshua Kelly green. Willie Gay Jr. green. Prestigious Heroes Julian Edelman. Highlight Reel Aaron Jones. Emmitt Smith honor roll. Drew Lock impressions. And someone that's with me watching it right now is very happy. He's a big Drew Lock fan. Clavon Chasen, Jacob Eason, Van Jefferson, and Grant Delpit. Now we just got to get a Joe Burrow. Did that one not have a Heroes in it?
No.
Is that the first one? Who's old? Need some lines? Let's see if there's any lines in this one. Probably get a Matthew Stafford. He's not even there anymore. Ooh, Max Crosby. It looks like it's a filler or something. Daniel Jones. Yeah, just a filler. That's sad. Jake Fromm green. Zach Bond. Deshaun Watson worldwide. Did anybody collect Deshaun Watsons? Inside the numbers, Michael Thomas. Youth Movement, Tyreek Hill. It's not a bad card. Christian Okoye. Raekwon Davis. Jeff Okuda. There's a Jeff Okuda. Not Zach or Taylor Swift. Man, I can't talk right now. Anthony Gordon and Colin Johnson. Is that pack 5 and 6?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to open those? Go put those. 7 and 8. I'm going to clear some of this off quick. Jeff Okuda's not bad for the Lions, though. Of course, always looking for the offensive players. Austin Eckler, Riley Ridley, Phillip Rivers, Raheem, Odell. What did the Lions pick? Who did the Lions pick?
That's the offensive line.
Kerryon
The
Johnson.
Sewell guy.
Dang.
Sewell.
Who's all picked so far?
Up to the Lions.
What do you mean up to the Lions?
Dolphins.
Jared Pinky, J.K. Dobbins green, Ben Roethlisberger, Prestigious Pros, Highlight Reel Travis Kelce. We've gotten a ton of Chiefs inserts so far. Honor Roll Derrick Henry, Impressions Darius Leonard, Christian Fulton, Jake Luton, Xavier McKinney, and Harrison Bryant. Man, no Burrow so far. We got to get one.
Dolphins and Lions well picked.
So,
Bengals took
what pick was the Lions?
7.
I can't believe they're getting help for Jared Goff. He's so bad. He's just handsome. That's the only reason people like him. He's a fan base of 100 girls that watch football. That's it. Jermaine Pratt, Leighton Vander Esch. There's Joe Burrow's backup. True Lock. Hated Nick Mullins. Drew Brees, Devontae Adams. Lamar. Sam Darnold's overrated. Grant Delpit green. T. Higgins green. That's not a bad card. Worldwide, Josh Jacobs. And Shaquille Barrett inside the numbers. Youth Movement, Christian McCaffrey, Andre Reed, Jerry Jeudy, Antoine Winfield Jr., and Dalton Keene. Usually it's me and my dad who does it. He's gone today, so I got all packs to myself today. This is pack 10, I believe. Need some Justin Jeffersons. See if I can get Jefferson here. Last person asked for the Lions. I pulled the Lions. Hopefully it's ask and you shall receive. Rodgers. Who's taking Justin Fields tonight? Jonathan Taylor, green. Terrell Taylor, green. Travis Kelce, Prestigious Pros. Highlight Reel, Cooper Kupp. Honor Roll, Lamar Jackson. That's a pretty nice card. DK Metcalf, Impressions. LaMichael Pirine. Jalen Hurts, there you go for the Eagles. And Henry Ruggs. I'll sleeve up the Hurts quick. I kind of forgot about Jalen Hurts.
Jordan Love, come on.
Yeah, we got Jordan Love for a quarter. Burrow and Love. Got 2 more packs left. 3 more packs left, actually. Yeah. I can say, I thought I was missing one. DK Impressions. You want that one sleeved up too? I'll sleeve that up for you. I won't put them on the stand. Actually, I can send them by the Russell Wilson. There you go. Yes, I'll sleeve up. Pretty much all the cards will end up being sleeved, but yeah, all the rookies and inserts for sure will be sleeved. Usually we just double sleeve the base, and then the rookies will be in their own. Jimmy G. Still love Jimmy G. Not a fan of Josh Rosen. Russell Wilson. And a kicker. I've never seen this card before. Laviska Shenault Jr. green. Christian McCaffrey, Powerhouse. Prestigious Pros, Mike Evans. Troy Aikman, Honor Roll. Youth Movement, Damian Williams. That's like our 20th Chiefs insert. Terrell Lewis, Tristan Wirfs, Brandon Ayuk, and Antonio Gibson. I love Brandon Ayuk. You want to put those back? The Panthers pick is in. Wait, they just traded. Wait, who do they? Oh, they have Sam Darnold.
Yeah.
I mean, he sucks. I don't know. They should draft the quarterback. Ugh, Dante Pettis. Yuck. Fitzmagic. Bradley Chubb. Come on, we got to get a Burrow here. DeAndre Swift green. There we go. Marlon Davidson. Saquon Powerhouse. Worldwide. Phillip Rivers. Jim Plunkett. DK Metcalf Youth Movement. Jordan Love. Who was right before it? Josh Uche. And I'll sleeve up all these cards quick. Love will go in a hard case. I did say earlier that I wasn't going to sleeve Jordan Love's, but I'll toss them in there. Last pack. Let's see. Let's somehow get an auto out of it. Numbered. Last box break, we pulled an out of 25 Justin Herbert, and we didn't sell the Chargers. The guy who bought him didn't pay. Baker, moneymaker. Tyler Boyd. Philip Lindsay. I got Swift in a sleeve. Josh Jacobs, Saquon, coming up on the extra points. Right after this card, I believe. Donovan Peoples-Jones, Lynn Bowden Jr. Inside the numbers, Derrick Henry, Larry Fitzgerald, Prestigious Pros, Honor Roll, Patrick Mahomes. Let's leave that up. Dante Hall, Michael Pittman Jr., James Morgan, and AJ Terrell, KJ Hill. Well, that was the last pack. Man, we could not get a Joe Burrow. We got every other quarterback. I'll even put Swift in a hard case for you. That's the Lions' best pick. Alright, that was the last pack. I'll show you guys some of our better hits. There's quite a bit of other rookies I didn't sleeve up, and I'll sleeve up after this. We'll work our best getting the card shipped in the next few days. Heroes Wilson, Jalen Hurts, a colored Tua, Justin Herbert, Jordan Love, and a colored DeAndre Swift. So Justin Herbert was probably the best card. Thank you guys for watching, and bye.